how to create White Studio AI photoshoots for clothing brands. In this video, you'll learn how to turn simple clothing photos into professional AI fashion photoshoots in a White Studio. No photographer, no studio rental, no expensive production team. Just upload your garments, choose a model, and generate studio quality fashion images in minutes. Let's start. First, open the White Studio AI Photoshoots template. Now upload your clothing images. You can upload a front view and also add a back view for more accurate generations. Next, choose your AI fashion model. You can use one of the ready-made AI models from the library, but if you want a more unique brand identity, you can also upload your own model or create a completely custom AI model. Let's create a custom AI model. Upload a reference photo of the person you want to use as inspiration. Our AI will automatically analyze the appearance, proportions, and overall aesthetic. After that, you can fine-tune the model parameters. Now, generate the AI model. In a few seconds, your custom fashion model is ready. You can save it and add it directly to your model library. Return to the White Studio Photoshoots flow and select your newly created AI model. Then, choose the poses you want for the photoshoot. Finally, open the settings and click Generate Photoshoot. On the results page, you'll see two versions of every generation. First, post-production, where Apiway automatically turns it into clean White Studio photography, including background cleanup, lighting adjustments, color correction, and overall fashion photo refinement. And second, the original AI output, straight from the model. And that's it! Your clothing photos are transformed into professional White Studio AI fashion photography, ready for your clothing brand, online store, or marketing campaigns. Check out Apiway and start creating AI fashion content today. Link in the description.